iPhone 8 Plus Red Edition unboxing. This is it. iPhone 8 Plus unboxing coming to the channel. So here we have the iPhone 8 Plus in its glory. Finally, we have it. It's been so long. It's been this unboxing has been way overdue. So the red iPhone 8 Plus, of course, is really similar to its other colors. In the packaging, we've got a red iPhone 8 Plus. In the side, we've got the iPhone wording in red, and of course, we've got the red Apple logo, which is super beautiful. Oh, and we also have, we actually have right here product red as well, which is pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, which is just very exciting. Today, I went to the Apple store. This was actually delivered to my house, but I went to the Apple store today to just, I did an actual Today at Apple class, which was a lot of fun. I'll talk about that in a different video, but I saw the iPhone in red, and I didn't even look at it. I mean, I skimmed through it, but I didn't really want to touch it or anything because I wanted this unboxing to be special. I mean, I've never seen the red iPhone in 8 Plus in an all glass body. I'm just really excited. So anyways, let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and of course, we've got to do this is pure magic. I mean, this tab and the sound and just the smell, it's just amazing. So anyways, let's go ahead in 3, please. Wait, do you guys hear the music? There we go. There's the music. That's the stuff. Anyways, let's go ahead and unboxing. Man, am I excited to see this. Right here we have designed by Apple in California with a red accent right there, which is really awesome. I've never actually seen this. Let me go ahead and cover the iPhone. I don't want to see it just yet. Let's go ahead and take care of the actual packaging. Well, I tell you this every time. We gotta do it. I don't know why I gotta show you. You guys know that there's a charging brick and that stuff. But this is actually different. We've got a product red paperwork. The product red paperwork says, oh, it's in Spanish. It basically says that Apple will donate, how much is it? 5%? A certain percentage to the Red Foundation, which takes care of, to fight AIDS around the world, which is awesome. I mean, last year, hold on, let me look that up. Hold on, I looked it up before. Hold on a second. Apple last year raised over $160 million. That's a lot of money. Apple, I'm proud of you. Product Red Foundation, I am very proud of you. So anyways, what else do we have over here? We've got, of course, our mythical, our famous, just instructions in every language. Anyways, yeah, we've got this as well. The pin, the paperwork, warranty information, Apple stickers. You gotta have the Apple stickers. Come on. So anyways, that's it. Okay, we're getting there. We are unboxing the iPhone, and man, am I excited to see this beautiful all-glass back body in product red. Ooh, that is sexy. Ooh, that is sexy. Let's go ahead and ooh. You ready? You guys are gonna see it before me. 3, 2. That is really red. Hold on, we gotta do the famous. Man, I love that sound. Anyways, that is really red. Like, that's seriously so red. That's a beautiful red. They really did really good. The antenna is matched to the glass. This is beautiful. I mean, ooh, that's sexy. I mean, I'm not a big fan of red, but this looks good. So who is this phone for? I mean, who would buy the iPhone 8 Plus in red? Should you guys buy the iPhone 8 Plus in red? Well, the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus are still amazing phones. I mean, people have forgotten about the iPhone 8 Plus and 8 because there was the iPhone 10. The iPhone 8 Plus has better battery. Of course, it doesn't have Face ID, but you don't really need it because you have a fingerprint sensor. You don't have Animoji. That's pretty much it. The iPhone 8 Plus, stats-wise, and of course it doesn't have an OLED screen and stuff. All the fancy stuff the iPhone 10 has, but the iPhone 8 Plus is seriously a really amazing phone, and I really want the gold one. Guys, I'm currently setting up the iPhone. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Let's see if this actually focuses. It's pure red, the SIM tray. Man, Apple and its details, such a beautiful phone. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!